Well, we are over here today at the Edge 4x4. What are we doing today, Chris?
Oh, buddy, Total Takeover 2. 2. This is the second one.
And what does that mean?
So the Total Takeover with Yukon Axle and Gear, they do a promo once a year in the springtime, fortunately, and offer some good discounts on regearing and all their components and things like that. And they've added to their group of companies, so it's kind of extended through those. But we obviously, being a driveline specialist, we focus on the regear aspect of it.
Yeah, and what are some of the other companies that they have involved now?
They've got Carly now, which is pretty exciting. Dynatrack, which we've done business with for a lot of years. Icon Dynamics. Those are all their companies now. So they're offering some really neat discounts, and that kind of that extends beyond today. But the regear bit of it is really what we focus on, and just so much fun. We look forward to it.
We're going to go back in the shop and poke in every once in a while. But what is Jesse working on today?
Oh, buddy, today he's got a JK regear doing some 488s, and it's a Rubicon, and the thing will be a little goat. Once you get some nice deep gearing in those Jeeps, they're very capable already. Add some gears, amazing.
What else do we have going on over here today?
Hey, today we've got, kind of did a little quasi Jeeps and Java, got some donuts and coffee, but for lunch we got Chef Nick here, and he's whipping up some street tacos. And anybody that's ever had Chef Nick's food, it's
awesome.
It's awesome.
We've had it a lot on some trails. It's worth coming down just for the tacos, right? Anytime you can get free donuts and tacos, it's a good day. And the weather today. Last year it was freezing. We had propane tanks going.
I did, man. I had to bust out the lava boxes. But this year it's a little warmer. It actually is supposed to be 75 today. It's absolutely beautiful out here.
Now, you've been a distributor for Lava Box for a long time.
I have, since the beginning.
But now you've picked up some other stuff, right?
Oh, from Lava Box?
Well, those coolers, right?
Oh, yeah. So Icy Tech coolers, man. And make sure you get a little footage of that stuff. But these are it's a veteran-owned company, all right? And they've got a multitude of sizes. They're priced well, great price point. The coolest thing for us wheelers, Jeepers, is you can strap these guys down from the sides, and you can still open them up.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, which is pretty awesome.
Okay, we'll go and take a look at those. Sounds like a pretty good thing. Anything else going on we should need to know about?
Right now, I'd say just get down here and let's have some fun.
Yeah, we'll take a look at some Jeeps today. Some other vehicles, hopefully, as they start to arrive. It's still a little early. We got Stay the Trail here, talking about staying the trail.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
Good stuff.
The Core Trail crew, Marcus, it's awesome.
All right.
Just great.
Well, thanks, Chris. Let's check out the shop.
You bet.
Race, right?
Yes.
All right, man. So what do we got going now?
So today, obviously, it is the Yukon Total Takeover. And so we are in the process of re-gearing this two-door JK to 488s. So we've already got all the old stuff out, old ring and pinion. So now we're just in the process of getting all the new stuff put on, new bearings, and then we'll start setting her up.
Well, considering you're at this point already so fast, it must have gone better than mine.
It did slightly. Yours was a little bit of a fight, but yeah, no, this one came apart real good, and they hopefully it goes together just as good.
Well, you always hope, right? But looking good so far.
Absolutely.
What was he on before? 410s? Or?
Yeah, 410s. So now we're just bumping it up to 488s because it's not a super huge Jeep, so he'll still have really good highway speed and give him that little bit extra low, on the trails.
Is he going to bigger tires or?
Not that I know of. So he should still just be on his 35s and.
35s with 488s is pretty deep, but it's not too bad.
Not too bad. So on these JKs, they seem to really kind of settle in right at that kind of range. 37s, 513s, 35s, 488s. So.
Okay, well, we'll check back in a little bit.
Awesome.
Hopefully you don't finish. Let's check out this Icy Tech. Man, this thing is pretty nice. Tons of insulation. Look how thick this top is. This thing is, it's nice and cold inside too. I bet these things hold temperature really well. This is a 55 quart right here. Looks like they've got a 40 quart. I've matched the Jeep pretty nice. and 25 quarts. A variety of sizes here based on whatever your needs are. Those things look pretty nice. Little strap holders on the side, some drains. These look pretty cool. This thing is going together quick.
This one is.
Just means the next one's going to be a bitch, right? Man, just look at that sweet gear mesh right there. This is why I'm glad Jesse's the one that does the gears in my Jeep. Well, they've got one Jeep finished and they're gonna roll in another one, but I'm gonna leave them alone and let them get their job done today. Well, it has been a great day over here at the Yukon Takeover 2 at the Edge 4x4 Automotive here in Colorado. Awesome event, some delicious food from our buddy Nick. We got a couple Jeeps done in the back. Been fantastic. If you have one of these events in your area, be sure and check it out. And if you're in the Colorado area, come to this one next year. So check it out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be safe out there. We'll see you on the trails.